Thank you.
Ground floor perfumery, stationery and leather goods, wigs and haberdashery, kitchenware and food going up. First floor telephones, gents ready-made suits, shirts, socks, hide hats, underwear and shoes going up. Second floor carpets, travel goods and bedding, materials, soft furnishing, restaurant and tea going down. First floor telephones, gents ready-made suits, shirts, socks, hide hats, underwear and shoes going up. Second floor carpets, travel goods and bedding, materials, soft furnishing, restaurant and tea going down.
I am the passenger, and I ride through the city backsides. I see the stars come out in the sky. Yeah, the bright and hollow sky. You know it looks so good tonight. I am the passenger. I stay under glass. I look through my window so bright. I see the stars come out tonight. I see the bright and hollow sky. Over the city's ripped back sky. And everything looks good tonight. We're singing la 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Get into the car. We'll be the passenger. We'll ride through the city tonight. We'll see the city's ripped back sides. We'll see the bright and hollow sky.
That was wonderful.
Bravo!
I loved that.
Oh, it was great.
Well, it was pretty good.
Well, it wasn't bad.
Well, there were parts of it that weren't very good, though.
It could have been a lot better.
I didn't really like it.
It was pretty terrible.
It was bad.
It was awful.
It was terrible.
Get him away!
Hey, boo!
Boo!